Top 5 SUVs that will last over 300,000 miles. If you're looking for SUVs that can last over 300,000 miles, you're in the right place. These vehicles are built to keep going, year after year. I'll walk you through 5 SUVs that are proven champions of durability. Some of these might surprise you, and we've saved the most unexpected one for last. 5. Toyota Land Cruiser, 1951 to present. When it comes to durability, few vehicles can match the Toyota Land Cruiser. For more than 70 years, this iconic SUV has been synonymous with rugged dependability, making it the go-to choice for those who need a vehicle that can go the distance, and then some. Originally introduced in 1951, the Land Cruiser has earned a reputation for being nearly indestructible, regularly surpassing 300,000 miles, and often running well beyond that, depending on maintenance and care. One of the reasons for the Land Cruiser's legendary status is its engineering. Designed to withstand the toughest conditions, the Land Cruiser is equipped with a rugged drivetrain, a tough body, and a suspension system built to handle off-road challenges. Whether you're climbing over rocks or driving through desert heat, the Land Cruiser is always ready to perform. The Land Cruiser has been offered in numerous models over the years, and although it's no longer sold in the US, since the 2007 model year, its legacy continues in many parts of the world. From military duty to use in remote areas of the world, the Land Cruiser has proved its ability to perform in extreme conditions. Why it lasts? The Land Cruiser's secret lies in its over-engineered components. The engine, typically a V6 or V8, is designed to take a beating, and the suspension is designed to handle rough terrain without breaking down. The strong, solid frame provides durability even when exposed to heavy-duty use. Toyota's commitment to high-quality materials ensures that the Land Cruiser is built to endure for hundreds of thousands of miles, provided it gets regular care and attention. In fact, many owners of the Land Cruiser report their vehicles running past the 500,000-mile mark with minimal issues. 4. Honda Pilot 2003. Honda has built a reputation for reliability, and the Pilot is no exception. The Pilot is a mid-size crossover SUV that's been a top choice for families for years. With a spacious interior, smooth handling, and an excellent safety record, it's no wonder that this SUV is known for lasting well over 300,000 miles. The first generation of the Pilot was introduced in 2003, and since then, the SUV has been known for its dependability, fuel efficiency, and practicality. Under the hood, the Honda Pilot typically features a 3.5-liter V6 engine, which strikes a great balance between performance and fuel economy. It's more than capable of handling highway miles and light off-roading, which is why so many drivers trust it to go the distance. Owners of the Honda Pilot often report that the vehicle is easy to maintain and doesn't suffer from major reliability issues as it ages. While not as rugged as some of the other vehicles on this list, the Pilot's reliability in everyday use, combined with its affordable maintenance, has led many to keep it running for over 300,000 miles. Why it lasts? Honda's commitment to building simple, reliable, and efficient engines contributes to the Pilot's longevity. The 3.5-liter V6 engine is known for being one of the most reliable engines in the market, requiring minimal repairs when properly maintained. Additionally, the Pilot's front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive systems are built to handle years of use without major issues. With regular oil changes, brake checks, and transmission servicing, the Pilot is well equipped to last well beyond the 300,000-mile mark. 3. Lexus GX 460, 2009. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that combines high-end features with exceptional durability, the Lexus GX 460 is a top contender. Based on the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado platform, the Lexus GX 460 brings the same rugged performance and reliability that's made the Land Cruiser legendary, but with a more refined interior and luxury features. The GX 460 is powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine, which delivers plenty of power for off-roading or highway driving. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a full-time 4-wheel drive system, making it an excellent choice for those who need a vehicle that can handle both rugged terrain and city streets with equal ease. From a design perspective, the GX 460 offers a luxurious cabin, advanced technology, and a smooth ride that makes it just as comfortable on the road as it is off. Although the GX460 is a luxury SUV, it's built on the same durable platform as Toyota's off-road vehicles. The body-on-frame construction and solid suspension system mean that the GX460 can handle tough terrain while maintaining a high level of comfort. Whether you're tackling a muddy trail or cruising down the freeway, the GX460 is built to endure for the long haul. Why it lasts? The Lexus GX460 shares many of its durability traits with the Toyota Land Cruiser. Its robust V8 engine, heavy-duty suspension, and reliable four-wheel drive system ensure that this luxury SUV can take on high-mileage driving without breaking down. Additionally, Lexus vehicles are known for their long-lasting quality, and the GX460 is no exception. With regular maintenance, many GX460 models can last well over 300,000 miles, making them an excellent investment for those who want a luxury SUV that's built to last. 2. Toyota 4Runner, 1984. The Toyota 4Runner is another Toyota SUV that consistently proves its durability and reliability. Whether you're an off-roading enthusiast or just someone who needs a vehicle that can handle the daily grind for years, the Toyota 4Runner is an excellent choice. Since its introduction in 1984, the 4Runner has been praised for its rugged build quality, powerful engine options, and off-road capabilities. While newer models come with all the modern features you'd expect in an SUV, the Toyota 4Runner has retained its tough, body-on-frame construction, which is essential for longevity. It's built to handle rough roads, off-road adventures, and heavy-duty use, making it an ideal choice for those who need an SUV that can go the distance. The 4Runner has been equipped with a 4.0-liter V6 engine in recent years, and earlier models have offered both V6 and V8 engine options. Why it lasts? The Toyota 4Runner is built with an emphasis on durability. The V6 engine and rugged drivetrain are designed to handle high-mileage use, while the strong frame and suspension system allow it to endure tough terrain. As with most Toyotas, the 4Runner's simple and reliable design makes it relatively easy to maintain and repair. Many 4Runner owners have reported their vehicles running for well over 300,000 miles with minimal issues. The 4Runner is the kind of SUV that gets better with age, with many models seeing their value and reliability increase as they accumulate miles. 1. Toyota Sequoia, 2001. Topping the list of SUVs that can last over 300,000 miles is the Toyota Sequoia. Known for its ruggedness, towing capacity, and strong V8 engine, the Sequoia is the ideal choice for families who need an SUV that can go the distance. Built on the same platform as the Toyota Tundra, the Sequoia shares the same durability traits that have made the Tundra one of the most reliable trucks in the market. The Sequoia is powered by a 4.7-liter or 5.7-liter V8 engine, both of which offer excellent towing capacity and power for both highway driving and off-roading. This SUV is known for its spacious interior, with enough room to comfortably seat up to 8 passengers. It also has a large cargo area, making it an excellent choice for families, road trips, and long-haul drives. Why it lasts? The Toyota Sequoia's longevity can be attributed to its high-quality engineering and construction. The V8 engine is built to last, providing both power and reliability, and the drivetrain is designed to withstand tough conditions. The Sequoia's full-frame construction makes it durable enough to handle years of use, and with regular maintenance, many Sequoia owners report their vehicles lasting over 300,000 miles without major issues. Toyota's commitment to building reliable vehicles ensures that the Sequoia continues to be one of the best options for those seeking an SUV that will go the distance. Whether you're looking for an off-road warrior like the Toyota 4Runner or a luxury SUV like the Lexus GX460, these 5 vehicles are built to go the distance, well beyond the 300,000-mile mark. Each one offers a unique blend of durability, performance, and reliability, making them some of the best long-term investments on the market. Which one of these SUVs would you trust to last over 300,000 miles? Let us know in the comments below.